Oh my god, y'all. I got the bar. What's up, guys? It's your girl Misha, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, thank you so much for your loyalty. So today, as promised, I did state in my previous video that I was going to start doing BoxyCharm unboxings or makeup subscription unboxings, and so today that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of April. And if you don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly makeup subscription. They have a base box, which is $25, and then they have a $35 box. I forgot what that one is called. And then they have the Boxy Luxe, where you get 6 items and you choose I think 3 of the items. And then the base box, you get to choose 1 item and you get 5 full-size products out of the base box. So that's what I have. I have the $25 BoxyCharm base box, and this is my very first time trying BoxyCharm. I do have an Ipsy subscription, and I am going to be doing a video on the April Ipsy subscription. So if you would like to see that, be sure to subscribe and hit bell notifications so you can get those, the future posts for the Ipsy unboxing. And then I will have the BoxyCharm subscription for the entire year. So I'll be doing every month, April, May, June, July, etc. So be sure to subscribe and hit bell notifications if you would like to see future BoxyCharm unboxings. And I'm really excited because at first I was kind of skeptical about doing the BoxyCharm because the comments people were saying, oh, it's not really, you don't really get good stuff, etc. But then I was looking at reviews on YouTube, and I was like, it looks like they're getting some good stuff. And me, I'm not super advanced with makeup. I just started actually doing concealer and setting powder. Before, I would just do foundation, eyeshadow, like the basics. But I'm starting to actually do, you know, concealer and contour. And it's like, why not do a, you know, makeup subscription box where I can, you know, learn about new, or not new, but different makeup lines or brands that I've never ever heard of before, so I can discover new things, while also trying out full-size products from expensive brands where I only have to pay $25 a month, and I get to firsthand try it out before I actually go and buy, you know, the full price of the item, etc. So just a little background of why I wanted to get the BoxyCharm subscription. But anyway, let's get into it. So this is the box right here. Pretty big box. And also when you first join with them, you get a free item. So I should have 6, and it's not been open. I've been waiting to open this for like a week now, but I'm opening it now for the first time. But I'm excited to see what my free item was. This is what it looks like. Wow, this is cute. So the theme is sweet treats. BoxyCharm definitely give you April vibes. I mean, spring vibes with all the pretty colors. I really love this theme, sweet treats, and it has the products on the back and the prices that's in the box, but we'll go through that once I start pulling out the actual products. Yay! So first up we have the Natasha Denona palette. Hopefully I got the colors that I wanted. I wanted the ones with like the light colors, like I think it was like a blue and pink and yellow, stuff like that. I wanted that palette. So hopefully. Oh man, I knew I wasn't gonna get that one because I wanted it too bad. So this is the one that I got. I mean, it's some basic neutral colors. So it's still pretty, but I really wanted the one with the blue that looked like it's black, and the yellow and the pink. Some people, they said they hated that palette. A person that like a lot of light, pretty colors and stuff. So, but anyway, this is that. And this is the Ayana eyeshadow palette. This is what this one is called. And this one, the MSRP for this is $48. So that's pretty good for a $25 a month box. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all colors. I like this one, but I have plenty of those, you know what I'm saying? It's like, who don't have a beige glittery eyeshadow? So that's pretty. So let's see, I'll put it on my arm. I'm not gonna lie, these are very pigmented, I must say, because I didn't even have to swatch again to put on my arm, and that's what that's looking like. That looks really pretty. It looks really pretty on my arm, I must say. That is really pretty. So far my two favorite is these two. The two glitters are my favorite so far. I'm also gonna be rating these every month. I'm gonna do 1 out of 5. So the rating for this one, I would give it maybe, just because it's super pigmented, I would have to give it a 4. I'll give it a 4, because this is, you can literally put this on your fingers. Like, you don't need a primer or nothing. Like, this is pretty good. So I would give it a 4. So that's it for this one, the Natasha Denona palette. We have the Kinder Beauty Kinder Glow highlight palette. Okay, this is pretty. I like this. Oh my god, this is, I love this. Wow, this is so pretty. This is beautiful. So I'm so happy with this one. So, Kinder Beauty Kinder Glow highlighting palette. Oh, so this is a highlighting palette. I don't know why I thought it was a blush. See what I mean? I'm still learning, you know, my stuff when it comes to makeup. But this is $15. So this is really pretty. This is really pretty. I really like this. So 1 out of 5, I definitely give this a 5. I love this highlight palette. I'm definitely gonna play around with this. So this is really cute. I'm really loving my stuff so far, you guys. So shout out to BoxyCharm, because I am really pleased so far. Okay, so that was 2 items. So now we're at number 3. And this is the Dominique Creamy Feel and Define Lip Liner. Yay, I got a lip liner. So far this has all been makeup, which I'm very happy, because when I did my quiz, you did like a little quiz, I chose, and it's in the color Crush, by the way, sorry about that. I selected, I mostly want makeup. I don't really want skin stuff, just because I have eczema and I have sensitive skin anyway. So I definitely don't need to be just trying a bunch of different stuff on my skin anyway. This thing is hard to get out. Okay. Wow, this is pretty. This is actually pretty, y'all. And that's what it looks like. The color Crush. Wow. This is actually pretty. That's what it's looking like. Wow. I'm gonna try this. Wow. Y'all, I don't see what people be complaining about when it comes to BoxyCharm. They got some really good stuff in here. But I mean, I don't wear makeup every day. Like I actually did my makeup. So comment down below if you like my makeup look. I did my makeup because how am I gonna do an unboxing on a makeup subscription and I have my makeup done? So I did my makeup, but I don't wear makeup every day. I don't not wear makeup every day. So this stuff is gonna last me a lifetime. It's gonna last me forever. because I do not wear makeup every day. It takes me almost a year to go through a whole bottle of foundation. So yeah, so that Define lip liner was $18, so that's not bad. 1 out of 5, I would give it a 5. I really love that color. I love the presentation of it. It glided on so easy and soft. And I love like what it came in, like the little container and stuff. So I really like it. And I'm learning, like I said, I'm learning some new makeup lines. I never heard of Dominique Cosmetics. I never heard of Kinder Beauty or any of these so far. So yeah, so that was the 3rd item. Oh my god, y'all, the 4th item. This is a Beauty Diva London Diva eyebrush set. Oh yay. I wanted an eyebrush set. I was like, I want an eyebrush set. So I'm super happy that I got an eyebrush set. Y'all, I'm so pleased with this. I'm really loving my box. Yep, when I saw this on there, I was like, I hope I get this eyebrush set. And they're all orange. And this is what they're looking like. Do it tell which one they do? So they don't really say what do what. I have to play around with it a little bit and see. But yeah, I got a whole eyebrush set. I love this orange. And this was $48, y'all. $48. And it says perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. Wow, you guys, I cannot wait to use this. And this is a Boxy exclusive, so I'm so happy I got this, you guys. So that was number 4. Unfortunately, I did not get to pick my choice for this one. I think I had missed it when I signed up. So I didn't get to pick my choice for this month, but I definitely picked my choice for May. And then we 5th up, and it is a 6th product in here, so this must be my free gift that I got from signing up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th one. And this is the Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminous Ampoule. Sea greens plus cannabis sativa hemp. Nice. And this is 1 fluid ounce. It says plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, woman-owned, small batch made. That's what it's looking like. I don't like how the box came all messy or whatever, but yeah. Also, the eyebrush set, I give that a 5. 5 out of 1. Wow. Okay. Nice. That's what this is looking like. And I actually like that it has cannabis sativa hemp in it. I like that. That's what's up. So let's go ahead and smell it. I don't really like the smell of this. It smells kind of like a medicine strong scent. And it says, a soothing ethereal glow of the aurora borealis sweeping across the sky. Capture in a bottle, give your precious face luminous superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil and pacifying meadow foam seed oil plus grapeseed oil. Aurora is simply the most divine way to serenely energize and soothe skin while inducing dewy radiance. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning as needed. If using another treatment, and or moisturize and massage an Aurora until absorbed for a daily skincare cocktail. Add 2 or more drops to any Earth Harbor serum, facial oil, or moisturizer morning and night. Okay, so I guess this is like a toner or more moisturizer or something like that. I don't know. I don't really use oil on my face. I never have. But I may try this out. And this bad boy, Earth Harbor, was $32. Wow, okay. $32. So 1 out of 5, I give it a 3. I give it a 3 because I don't like the smell. The presentation, I don't like how it's all tore up like somebody opened it. And yeah, so I give it a 3. So now moving on to the 6th item. And that item was actually not on this little card. So I'm gonna have to look it up and see how much it costs, and I'll put the final total at the end of this video on here on the screen for you guys. Like I said, I'll look this up later on the total. And oh my god, y'all, I got the Barbarella eyeshadow palette. Yay! So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes with my BoxyCharm base box, $25 box. Like, that is really good, you guys. That's really good. Barbarella eyeshadow palettes. I saw like a few YouTubers that get PR. I think they had got this, and I was like, wow, this is really nice. And I actually got this as my 6th item. I'm so happy. I really love it. Like, I actually think I'm gonna. This kind of make me want to really get the $35 subscription slick. But I don't know, for $25, this is some good stuff. Like I said, I don't do my makeup every day, so I would have this for a lifetime. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. Look at this. Oops. Wow, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. And we have 20 colors. This is a very beautiful palette. I love the black and pink. I like the little mirror. I love these colors. It has a lot of glitter colors, and I love me a glitter. I absolutely love me a glitter. So I think that's pretty cool that it has a lot of glitter. So I'm only gonna swatch a few of these. I'm not gonna swatch all of these because it's mostly some nudes. So I'm gonna swatch some of the ones that really stand out to me and let you guys see. So we're gonna go with Gammy. I guess that's how you say. Go with Devore. Let's go with Brad. And then we're gonna go with Ryan. Just because I want to see if this is really black. So this is what it's looking like. I feel like this has way better pigmentation than that one. Like, I mean, look at it. You can like barely kind of see it. But I am very happy with this. I love me some eyeshadow palettes. I don't even know how many I have at this point. Like, I have a little backpack that I put all my eyeshadow palettes in, and it's overflowing. This is not even gonna fit. So comment down below if you want me to do a revealing of all my eyeshadow palettes, and I'll do it for you guys. And also comment down below if you would like me to do a makeup tutorial as well. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this palette. I absolutely love this palette. And like I said, I'm gonna come back and edit, and I'm gonna put the price for this eyeshadow palette. This is the Barbarella eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna come back and put on here price for this one. And then I'm gonna try to add up a little bit so far how much we have. So it's like 166. Well, 166 before we even add this bad boy in there. So, but like I said, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put on the screen how much we have in total. But so far, just for the first 5 items, I'm counting 166. If I did my math right. If I did my math right. But anyways, yeah, you guys. So that's pretty much it for my entire BoxyCharm base box. You guys, comment down below if you liked some stuff that I got. Comment down below if you got some of the same items that I got, or if you wish you got some of the same items I got, or which one you wish you would have got out of my box. And just comment down below what subscription you have. If you have the base box, the Boxy Luxe, and I forgot what the other one is called. Comment down below which ones you all have and how long you've had BoxyCharm. But all in all, I'm so happy and pleased with mine. I feel like I got some great stuff, and so yeah, I'm very excited to see what May has to bring, June, etc. I'm so excited. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, please be sure to comment down below. If you like this video, you find this video to be helpful, thumbs up this video. And until next time, you guys, stay safe, and bye-bye.